Welcome to OK Miniatures. Today it's time to reimagine something old and make it new. Okay, so not really a surprise since you've probably read the title, but today I'm going to be making dungeon tiles based on the shrine tiles in Zelda Breath of the Wild. I started cutting out some squares in a couple sizes, 3 inches, 6 inches, and 12 inches. I didn't end up painting all of these tiles up, but someday I'm sure it'll happen. In the game, the tiles are 4x4, 2x2, 1x2, and 1x1 tiles in a fancy pattern. I didn't see a way for these to fit nicely on my tiles, so I slightly adjusted the pattern to make it work. I slowly copied the tile pattern onto the foam pieces using my knife to cut a 1/8 of an inch deep line to separate the tiles. After laying out the pattern with a knife, I traced each line with a black pen to widen the lines and help cover up foam, the ugly green foam, in tight spaces where it'd be hard to get paint. After a quick coat of black Mod Podge, I put on a base coat of tan. I didn't add any textures to the tiles since in Breath of the Wild, these shrines are left behind by a more advanced civilization, so the tiles are smooth with no cracks. After the tan, I carefully filled the center of each tile with a darker brown paint. Initially, I tried to make this color match the bluish-green color of the game's tile, but this made it difficult to match my tiles, since I didn't mix up enough paint the first time, so instead I opted to use a simple mix of brown and gray. The tiles in the game have some very faint designs on them that look somewhat like wood grain, so I painted some designs on the tiles. The paintbrush was a bit messy, but I still think they look nice. A paint pen would have given a cleaner look and fit with the pristine tiles. The in-game tiles also have much subtler designs from what I remember, but I enjoyed the greater contrast. And there it is. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. If you'd like to see more content like this, consider subscribing, and with that, I'll see you in the future. It's this kind of cool pencil trick where, like, you know, if you go just right, it looks like the pencil is bending. Works really well with this sword. Anyway, like, subscribe, whatever, do what you want. Have fun with swords. Don't hurt yourself.